Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today we are having a BoxyCharm unboxing. And this BoxyCharm did not like the journey here so much. Here is the card that says Au Naturel. So, alright, Elemis. This is the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. MSRP $35. While I do love a good mask and I will happily put this in my rotations, I do a mask every morning, I cannot imagine me spending $35 on it. So let's see what else we have. Altamar, and this is, it's a lip gloss, long-lasting thickening formula. Don't know if I want a thickening formula on my lip gloss that conditions lips while delivering high shine, full pigmentation, and MSRP is $15. Gluten-free, talc-free, vegan, and as always, cruelty-free. I'm curious what color this actually is. Oh, here. That looks like a good nude. So, all right. That's actually something I will probably use. Moving right along, this has me, from Butter London, and I really like the packaging with this bamboo look with the flowers, and all right, not a surprise, it's a palette. Get that? There are those colors. Natural Goddess. Those look like some interesting colors. Let me see, there are 6 colors and 5 fingers, so let me swatch these for you. I am working on my swatching skills. Okay, that is quite the colors and pigmentation there. And that light one, and now the 2 other ones. Let's see how those look. And those don't really show up so much on me. Let me try them again. All right, so definitely some lighter neutral colors. Well, I think I can do some interesting looks out of that. I need another palette like I need a hole in my head, but okay. And last, let's see here, what does it say? That it's the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. Bring out your inner goddess, cruelty-free, MSRP $32 on that. And, a package from Luxie. Looks like 3 brushes. Oh, all right. A foundation brush and a large blending and a they're calling this a precision crease. Now, a flat brush like that I would use for applying, packing on color in a small area. I don't like to lay down that heavy of color in my crease. All right, so that is BoxyCharm for this month. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I post every Monday and Thursday. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a really fantastic day.